Join me as I dive into the science and see if pregnancy really rewires the brain. I'm taking on the challenge to uncover the truth. Pregnancy is a time of immense change, physically, emotionally, and hormonally. But can it actually rewire your brain? Today, we're going to separate fact from fiction and explore the fascinating science behind how pregnancy affects the brain. I know what you might be thinking: pregnancy brain is just an old wives' tale, a myth perpetuated by hormones and lack of sleep. But is that really the case? Or is there some truth to the idea that pregnancy can alter the way our brains function? A lot of people think it's just a bunch of excuses for forgetting where you put your keys, but I'm here to tell you that it's so much more than that. There's a lot of skepticism around the topic, and understandably so, but let's look at the evidence. For years, women have reported changes in their cognitive function, memory, and mood during pregnancy. But what does the science say? Many of us have heard the phrase, pregnancy brain, thrown around, but we rarely stop to think about what it actually means. Are we just more emotional, or is there a real, tangible change happening in our brains? One thing's for sure: the myths surrounding pregnancy and brain function are plentiful, and it's time to set the record straight. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of it. What does the science say? Dozens of studies have examined the effects of pregnancy on brain structure and function, and the results are fascinating. For one, hormonal fluctuations during pregnancy affect the neurotransmitters in our brain, including serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood, motivation, and other cognitive functions. This can lead to changes in emotional processing, impulse control, and even memory formation. But hormonal changes are just the tip of the iceberg. Pregnancy also leads to significant changes in brain structure, including the growth of new neurons and the formation of new neural pathways. This can affect everything from spatial awareness to social cognition, and even maternal bonding. It's not just about feeling a little more emotional or forgetful, it's about a profound shift in the way our brains operate. One study published in the journal Nature Neuroscience found that gray matter in certain areas of the brain actually decreases during pregnancy, only to rebound after childbirth. This decrease is thought to be related to the changes in hormone levels, particularly estrogen, which plays a crucial role in brain development and function. The study's authors concluded that pregnancy does, in fact, lead to significant changes in brain structure and function. But what does this mean for new mothers? In 2011, a team of researchers from Spain conducted a study that showed the remarkable adaptability of the maternal brain. They found that the hippocampus, a region crucial for learning and memory, actually grows during pregnancy, and stays that way even after childbirth. This growth is thought to be an adaptation to help new mothers cope with the demands of caring for a newborn, and it's a powerful example of the brain's ability to reorganize itself in response to new challenges. The evidence is clear: pregnancy does, in fact, rewire the brain. It's not just about feeling a little more emotional or forgetful. It's about a profound shift in the way our brains process information, respond to stimuli, and even form emotional connections with our children. So, what does this mean for new mothers and for our understanding of brain development and function? So, to answer the question, does pregnancy really rewire the brain? The answer is a resounding yes. The science is clear, and it's time to start taking this phenomenon seriously. It's not just a myth or an excuse. It's a remarkable example of the brain's ability to adapt, grow, and change in response to new challenges. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to learn more about brain health and development, check out our video on neuroplasticity and how to improve your cognitive function.